Welcome to the Ultimate HTML course on Vector M. In this comprehensive course, we'll dive into HTML, the markup language that powers every website on the internet. Why should we learn HTML, you ask? Well, that's because HTML is the fundamental markup language that's everywhere in our digital world. Whether you're dreaming of launching your own business, expanding your education, or just enjoying yourself watching videos online or something, HTML is at the heart of it all, creating websites that caters to your every need. Learning how to create websites is an invaluable investment of your time. Who knows, it might even lead to a rewarding career in web development. By the end of this course, you'll possess the skills needed to make websites like the ones you admire. Websites like this one, and that one. Let's get started. To get started working with HTML, you'll need two things: a browser and a text editor. There are multiple options to choose from, but for this course, the browser we're using is Firefox, and our text editor will be Vscode. You can download both these using the links on screen or in the description down below. Once you are done, create a folder on your desktop and drag it into Visual Studio Code. From there, create a file called index.html and write the following code. Then click on Save. An HTML file is basically just a text file with the extension HTML. You can open the folder and double-click on the file to open it in the browser, and you'll see what our website looks like for now. Websites are basically composed of three languages: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML describes the structure of the website, CSS makes it beautiful, and JavaScript makes the website functional. Think of it like this: HTML is the skeleton that describes the general outline and structure of the body. CSS is the meat and flesh on the bones, and JavaScript is the central nervous system that allows the body to move. A basic HTML file contains the following code. The first line, doctype HTML, lets the browser know that you are using HTML5. And then all the code is written within an HTML tag. The head tag contains meta text about the website. This includes the website's title. And finally, the body is where everything that you can see on the website is located. The syntax of HTML is very simple. It basically consists of three things: HTML elements, HTML tags, and attributes. A good example of an HTML element is the paragraph. It consists of an opening tag and a closing tag with text between them. Attributes provide additional information about the contents of the element. For example, the HTML tag has an attribute for the language of the website. An attribute is always put on the opening tag and has two parts, a name and a value. This is everything you need to know about HTML syntax and its structure. Let's look at text and how to format it in the next video.